This is Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer in CBS 4 Weather Control with your latest weather webcast for a Tuesday. Pretty cloudy here today, and that's thanks in part to moisture that continues to stream our way from the Caribbean, where there's some big thunderstorms down there. Now, what we're watching is this disturbance. There's upper-level winds right now that are blowing the thunderstorms away from the disturbance. You can see that as evidenced by the convection that's over there in the central Caribbean blowing away, but as well the thunderstorms that have popped up over the Yucatan there in Belize also being blown over. So right now the environment is fairly unfavorable for development, but in the coming days as the disturbance moves to the north, it could move into an environment that's a little bit more favorable. So lower wind shear, and there's the potential, about a medium potential for a late week or weekend development. Now the main threat for us from this, it appears, would be heavy rainfall, because the disturbance is going to be bringing with it lots of deep tropical moisture. The disturbance will likely have a sheared profile, which means that the center may be over here, but the upper level winds are blowing the thunderstorms and the moisture away from it. So needless to say, we'll be watching this system, and it will likely have impacts on our weather unless it tracks kind of farther there to the west and kind of really intensifies, which right now is not forecast. But if it would likely draw all that moisture into it and make us not so stormy. Still cloudy, but not so stormy. For the moment, though, we'll call for clouds and a few showers around for your Wednesday. Thursday, some spotty storms, a little bit more sunshine, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday really depends on how this system evolves in the tropics as it moves to the north. Of course, you can get the latest weather information at cbsmiami.com, where your weather is always on.